Welcome to Rustbuster's installation guide for the vehicles listed below. Before we begin, if you're uncomfortable with any of the processes listed in this guide, we strongly suggest you seek the work of a professional. Ensure you have all the tools and utilities listed and that you're following all the manufacturer's safety precautions during use. Step 1. Disconnect your vehicle's battery and inspect for potential fire hazards such as leaking fuel lines and engine components. Prepare or remove these before starting. Finally, clear the work area of any safety hazards. Step 2. Remove the vehicle's gas tank and any wires and lines in the work area. Unbolt the shock. This should drop the axle and relieve the weight. Then, cut off the rear coil spring bucket and grind the frame free of rust and debris. Step 3. Following proper welding procedures, tack weld the coil spring buckets into place before fully welding them onto the frame. Finally, coat the part and work area with a primer or other rust inhibitor to help prevent or reduce the risk of rust formation. Reinstall the vehicle's gas tank, exhaust hanger, control arms, and any wires and lines. Then you're done!